ayan guys, gumagawa tayo ngayon ng langit or latik ng biko. There we go. Ayan mga kalindog. Yan ang ating first step. Of course, nagluto na rin tayo or ayan ang ating wild rice. Ang wild rice ay meron siyang black guys na rice niya. Talagang pang biko siya. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin mamaya ang biko. Ayan ang ating wild rice, mga kalindog. I will show you.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Langis. Or ang ating latik almost. Ayan guys. That is the wild rice mga kalindog. Kaya meron siyang brown and dark rice. Guys, ang ating latik is almost done. Diba? So, ilagay na natin siya sa ayan. Dana sa awang dana ating biko. Ayan mga kalindog. Pakita ko sa inyo. There we go. Buhos na natin. Ayan, ang daming langis. Ayan, mga kalindog. That is yummy. This is yummy. So, ngayon, we're gonna cook here also the biko. Ayan, ha. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayan mga kalindog, ilagay na natin ang gata ng niyog. And then after that, pag kumulo na, we need to put here the red sugar, brown sugar. At of course, ayan mga kalindog, luto ng ating what do you call this? Ating wild rice. Ayan, diba? So ayan. Later on, makita ninyo how we can do it. So, ito guys, pakulin muna natin siya. So, ayan mga kalindog. We're going to boil first the coconut milk. Ayan. When it's ready boiling, we're going to put na the brown rice. Ayan guys. Of course, ang ating brown rice. There we go. Ayan. At meron tayong langis na and latik. So, ayan mga kalindog, starting now, nagbo-boiling. So, ayan eh. Lagyan na natin yung rice. Brown sugar. There we go mga kalindog. It's boiling. So, we need to put now the brown sugar. Ayan. Alam niyo mga kalindog, nilagay ko ay, I don't know how can I say that, panocha. That is, the brown sugar and the I don't know what is panocha in. Well, by the way, you can put also the only the brown sugar. It's better. Ayan. So we're gonna so we're going to mix it until they dissolve. Ayan, mga kalindog, ganyan lang. So after this, we're going to put na the wild rice later. Okay? So, haluin lang natin ang haluin. Ayan guys, para nagka-caramel na siya. Getting like a caramel. I think still 2 minutes. And then we're gonna put na the wild rice. Okay? So yan guys, mga kalindog. I think this is almost ready. So we can put now ang ating wild rice. There we go. So yung mga kalindog, ha? Be careful when you put it. Ayan. So, let's make make halo. Ayan. Let's stir until they gonna be ayan. So, tagaan lang mga kalindog. Okay. So, let's wait. Yan guys. Nakikita nyo na mga kalindog. Nagda-dry na siya. But, this I think more takes time. I think we're gonna cook it still in 30 minutes. Ayan. Ganyan lang mga kalindog. Halu-haluin nyo lang siya kasi it's not getting burn or masunog. Ganyan lang. So, ayan mga kalindog, medyo nag-dry na siya. Hintayin natin na medyo mag-oil o mag-oil yung kanyang gata. When come the oil or become oily, it means ready. Ayan, almost. So guys, ayan, basta ikot lang ng ikot. You need to stir immer always. Diba yan, ganyan. See? So ayan na mga kalindog. Kita nyo, medyo nag-oily na siya. I think still 5 minutes more. Yan na. Ganyan lang mga kalindog, diba? But this will be later finished product. So let's make until still 2 minutes more. Ayan, eh, hanggang maging malakit siya. So ayan guys, lumalabas na ang kanyang oil. So it means almost done. Ayan guys, oh. Makikita nyo, nag-oil na siya. So, it's mean almost. So, ayan guys, ang ating there we go. That is our Biko finished product. Ayan, di ba? So, mamaya mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo saan natin siya ilalagay. At, ayan ang ating nag-oiling Biko. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo nag-oil na siya. Nalabas yung oil. So, it's mean that is ready. So, guys, let's serve it. It's already done. Let's put now in the, ayan, sa ating, ayan, meron ako maliit na saging, leaves ng banana. So, we can put now here, mga kalindog. And we can, ayan guys, nakita nyo yung lungs niya, di ba? Naglalangis, wait. Yan. Kita ko sa inyo, you see? The langis. There we go. Ayan, guys. So, that is ready. So, ayan ang ating Biko na ayan. So, this is yummy. Ayan, mga kalindog. Let's make rest almost 1 hour, no? So, ayan. I-rest natin siya ng 1 hour at lagyan natin ang ating latik. Ayan, di ba? So, mga kalindog, This is really yummy. Ayan, ang ating homemade na biko na wild rice. Ayan guys, mga kalindog. Use the wild rice is better. Ayan. So, diba? At ayan mga kalindog, tignan nyo, naglalangis-langis siya. Ayan, kanyang langis. You see that? Ayan, o diba? Dahil I put lot of coconut oil. Ayan. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng konting parmesan cheese dahil mas masarap siya na may parmesan cheese. At ito mga kalindog ang ating latik. So we can add later. So ayan. O diba? Ito naglalangis ang ating biko. Ayan guys, ang ating naglalangis na biko homemade na wild rice. O diba? Ayan, mga kalindog. Use the wild rice is better. O diba? Ang sarap mga kalindog. Diba? And we will see you later. I'm going to eat this biko. So ayan guys, let's eat now. And after that, tinaktish or ang ating sweet na biko. So no, taste natin yan. Good na appetit. Here we go guys, let's taste now the my wild biko. Ayan, really, oh my god, so yummy. A lot of latik. Yummy. So, and so ayan, so very makunat. So there we go. So taste na. Oh my god. Yummy. Guys. Yummy. Bye. Dog, I hope did you enjoy my biko for today. And ayan mga kalindog, don't forget to smile. So, yan ang ating product na biko for today sa ating kusina ni Alindog. So ayan guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Ayan guys, thank you!